Good morning to my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to your science class. I'm your science expert Reena Malhotra. Student, as you know, we are doing chapter number 2 friction from your science book Wow Science. So let's take a quick recap that I have explained in previous video to you. I have explained you what is friction, as friction is the force which opposes motion. In the second topic I have explained is causes of friction. There are three causes of friction: surface roughness, deformation, and molecular adhesion. And the last topic I have explained is the main factors of friction. Main factors of friction are nature of the surface in contact and the mass of object. I have mentioned here the topic that I will explain you in this video. First type of friction. There are three type of friction: static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. And next I will explain fluid friction to you. So let's start with the type of friction. The first type of friction is static friction. It is the friction between two or more solid objects that are not moving relative to each other. Means there is no motion. See here, the man is pushing the cupboard, but cupboard is not moving. Means what? A static friction means it is a opposing or resisting force between two solid surfaces. Means whatever the force is applied, that is equal to the static friction, and there is no motion. Now the next topic is the law of static friction. There are two laws. First is the maximum force of static friction is not depend on the area of contact. And the second law is the maximum force of static friction is comparative to the normal force. That means what? If the normal force increase, the maximum external force of the object also increase. Okay, now the next topic is sliding friction. What is sliding friction? Sliding friction is also called kinetic or moving friction. That means the force is required to keep surface slide along another surface, that is known as sliding friction. If the one surface is slide over the another surface, and in this friction motion will be there, that's why it is called motion friction. And this is, you can see in this picture, the direction of the force is equals to the direction of the motion, and same is the direction for velocity and acceleration. Now the next topic is rolling friction. Rolling friction is what? It is the force resisting the motion of the rolling ball or wheel. That is called rolling friction, and it's very less friction. Means rolling, here you can see in the picture, the direction of the force is straight, but the motion direction is in circular motion, same of velocity and acceleration. See in this picture, a ball is rolling over the surface. With applying less force, it roll over them. Means that's why it is called rolling motion. This is because of rolling friction. Now, let's revise what I have explained. Type of friction. First is static friction, matlab no relative motion between two surfaces in contact. Sliding friction means sliding motion. One surface slide on the another surface. Rolling friction means rolling motion. One surface roll on the other surface. It's clear to you now? Now move to the next topic. Student, on the next page there is given one activity. Activity is compare rolling friction with sliding friction. For this you need some material like marble, eraser and some books. So let's perform this activity. Students, we have to pile up the books one over each other on the plane surface and keep one notebook vertically along one side of the book to make a slope. Okay, now I have taken one eraser and one marble, you can see here, and I will keep it on the top of this to roll it. So first I have keep the eraser and apply some force to roll it down. You can see here, this shows the sliding friction as it slide over the surface. And this I have taken a marble which is round in shape. and I applied a little bit less force, and it can roll very properly. You can see here very smoothly it can roll. So this shows a rolling friction which is very less, very fast is roll down, but it takes a time to roll slide over. So this shows a sliding friction and this shows a rolling friction. This the conclusion of this activity is rolling friction is less than sliding friction. So the next topic is fluid friction. What is fluid friction? The frictional force due to air, water and other fluid is called fluid friction. Means it is the force that resists the movement of the solid object through a fluid. Now next is air resistance. What is air resistance? That is also the friction which causes by air. I will explain you this through example. Skydiver falling down from sky experience a type of fluid friction that is called air resistance because the friction created by air. Now next is what is drag. Drag is the another name of air resistance or the fluid friction. Okay. Now these are some in between questions of page number 28 and 29. You have to write down this in your science notebook, and you will get the PDF of in between questions on your website. I hope the concepts of today is clear to you. Thank you.